Alright, so we're about to start a unit in perspective. We're going to begin with doing our names as kind of a practice warm-up and just learning how this is going to work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see how wide my paper is using my ruler. It's 11 inches wide, so I'm going to divide that in half. So I'm going to make just a small little mark at 5.5, just so I can center my name. Now I'm going to do Travis for my last name. I want you guys to do your first names. I'm going to do Travis, and so I've got 6 letters. I need 3 on one side, 3 on the other. So I'm going to go ahead and on this side of that little mark, I'm going to sketch a block letter A. So I'm just working from the middle out on spelling my name. And then on the other side, I'm going to go ahead and do the V. And then I can finish out my name on both sides. Does have to be a block letter. I would not do a bubble letter, especially for my ladies. I know you guys want to do those and they usually look really cute. It is going to be harder for this project. Alright. From there, I'm going to put a dot below at the bottom, about centered up. Now that's going to be my vanishing point, and I'm going to draw perspective lines from every corner to that vanishing point as long as it does not go through my letters. So I'm going to line it up from this corner of the T, and I'm going to draw that line until it hits that letter, and then I'm picking it up. Then from this corner, this one till it hits the R. Don't worry about these inside corners, just the ones that are sticking out are the ones I want you to focus on. Be careful to line these up every time. You want them to converge. You do not want to have them crisscrossing each other. Do not try to freehand this. It will not come out well. You need to use your ruler. If you don't have a ruler, find the side of a thin book, fold a sheet of paper for your straight line, but find a straight edge to do this with. Okay, now there's a few places I missed and I'm going to go back and do. I missed the top of this I. Remember, pick it up, don't let it go through. The top of this S. Pick it up, don't let it go through. The edge of this S. That one I believe will actually go all the way down. Yep. Let's do the edge of this S over here until it hits. I'm gonna guess, let's see if this one goes all the way down. Yep. So the edge of that V. I'm gonna run one off the side of the R till it hits the A. So just from the outside edge, right over here, from the outside of this T. You may want to get somebody to look at it with you and help you make sure you didn't miss anywhere. Looks good. Okay, now I'm gonna color this. So I would recommend using 2 or 3 bright colored color pencils. I would actually, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use 2 for each letter and then alternate. So I'll have 4 total. So I have this green and purple I'm gonna use for every other. Let's see what other colors I want to use. I'm gonna use this pretty pink color. And what would go good with that pink? Let's do a lime green. Do some bright, fun colors. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the teal and I'm gonna color it as it goes in. Then once that one cuts off, I'm gonna switch over to the purple for this next one. So between these two, it's gonna be purple. I'm gonna suggest making sure that you have a colored pencil sharpener close by. Just like some kind of a hand sharpener, because you're going to get to the edge and to the end, closer to the dot, and really need to be able to color really small. We're going to try to color as much as you can in the same direction. You want your lines to look directional, so I would color them straight down. Alright, so you can tell the last thing I did was to go over my letters in black. I used a black marker. You're welcome to use black marker, black pen, or black color pencil. It really doesn't make a huge difference, but you just really want those letters to jump out. The idea behind this is that you want it to look like all of your letters originated or popped out from this one vanishing point right here. When you're finished, go ahead and start looking at those 1-point perspective boxes and practicing those on to the next video. Have fun and keep creating.